Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. So today I have got for repair Crown power amplifier. So let's check it out. What's the issue in this? I will switch it on first. You'll come to know. I'll put it on now. See guys, it's going in protection mode. See fault. So both channels are showing fault. So now we'll check step by step how to sort out this problem. Keep watching my video. So guys, now we'll put it off first and we'll open the cover, the top cover. I will check step by step how to sort out this problem. So guys, we'll open now. See guys, the internal design of Crown amp. So now we'll check step by step how to check the voltages, another thing. So guys, we'll remove this board, we'll take it out this one. To remove this one, we'll remove this connector and this connector, these two connector for the fans and this connector for the supply line. So we'll just disconnect this one and dismantle, unscrew this 4-5 screws are there, so we will remove it out. So then we'll take it out, this completely board with the heatsink. So I have already disconnected everything, so we'll check, remove this out. See guys, I took it out. Okay. So now we'll check the parts over there. What's the issue? Now guys, we'll check all the output transistors. So here is the output transistors located. We'll check from the back side. Here we'll check all the is there any shorting components are there or not. We'll check the ohmic test on this board. So keep watching my video till last. So guys, now we will check some ohms or shorting of the diodes or transistors, something like that, before applying voltages to this board. So I already took it out from the cabinet power amp board. So we'll check all the things. The diodes, small diodes are there. See this one, the 1 2 3 4, all we'll check all the diodes first, big diodes, SMD one, and some transistor, output transistors there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are all the output transistors. So we'll check is there any shorting or something like that. I already kept the meter in buzzer range. I kept the meter in the buzzer range. Okay guys, so this is the diode also. It's not showing, not any shorting, no shorting. This is also no shorting. This is also diode, no shorting. This is also no. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 all assembly diodes are there. So I already checked, these diodes are okay, not showing any shorting. So I will check the transistors also, any shorting is there. But this is not showing, it's 24 ohms showing because the resistor is there. So it's not showing because see, this is a 15 ohm resistor is there. This is a 50 ohm resistor. So guys, it's not showing any shorting. So see, there is no shorting. This is a 15 ohm resistor is there. So anyway, this is connected between I think base and emitter. See, all showing same ohms, so it's normal. So it's also 15 ohms resistor, 15-20 ohms resistor it is. So I check all the this also, transistors also okay, and all the surrounding diodes also okay. So now we'll move some other area now. We'll move this side area now. There is no big diode over here. So there are some three big diodes are over here. This one, see here. So now we'll check these three diodes. So guys, these three diodes are showing shorting. See. So these three diodes are showing shorting. See. So we'll dismantle this out. We'll desolder these three diodes outside and we'll check separately. So guys, we'll remove these three diodes and we'll check after removing out whether they are really shorted or not. First remove this one. Then this one. Then this one. So we have removed out. I already desolder M7. It is written on the body of the diode M7. So now we'll check separately this diode. Whether they all three have gone or only one or two is gone. See, I kept the meter in the buzzer range as we have seen. See guys, this shorted. See, all three diodes are gone. See, all three diodes M7 SMD diode showing shorting. So now we'll check separately here. Is there any shorting? No, there is no shorting. So what we will do, now we'll replace all the three diodes with the new one. I'll check whether I have or not. So guys, I found in my stock some diodes M7 new one. This is the new diode. So this is the faulty one, this is the new one. So we'll check the new one also, is shorting or there or not. I kept on buzzer range. See, there is no shorting in this new one. This is, but here it is showing shorting. See, so this is the diode. See, it is showing okay. It's okay. I kept on the diode range now. So all three diodes are okay. Now we'll replace this. We'll solder this diode here. Just keep watching my video. First clean this area. We'll clean the area first. Apply some paste. Now we'll use solder iron. So we'll just clean the area before fixing new one. Okay guys. Here we'll solder it first. So we'll clean the area first. So guys, now we'll fix one by one all three diodes. Okay guys. So once I fix, I'll let you know. So be careful. Use small point for soldering. Don't use the big keep so it will not get shorted to each other. So solder it neatly. So I have soldered all the 3 diodes, friend. So guys, I already fixed this one, the cabinet. So we'll put it on now, power, and we'll check what is the condition now. I will connect the power. I will put it on now. See guys, it's gone. It's gone. Before it was showing fault. Before it was showing fault. So it's gone now. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Like it, share it, and if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it, and don't forget to press bell button whenever I upload new video, so that you will receive immediate notification to you immediately. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.